Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to remove objects from video with the CapCut application. So the first thing you have to do, open your CapCut project and start your editing. And now if you already decide the clips and the video that you want to remove some object from, so here I already have mine. The thing that you need to do, just click the clip, and after that you need to duplicate this clip by scroll these tools here into the left side until you find a duplicate tool. And when you found it, you just need to go click it. And whenever the clip is already duplicated, now you need to make the duplicate clip become an overlay. So you just need to go slide back into the right side until you found the overlay tool. And after you found it, just need to go click it. When it's already become an overlay, drag the overlay point into the left side. And whenever you're done, you need to click the overlay clip again and please find a mask. Okay, first, you need to decide which object that you want to hide. So for me, I think I would like to try hiding this painting. So after that, you just need to go click mask, and you can choose either this rectangle or circles. But then here, I think I would like to go with this rectangle. And now isolate the color that probably has the similar color with the closest area of the object that you want to hide. Okay, right there. And after you're done, now you just need to go click checklist button here. And now you just need to pinch with two of your finger while drag into the specific part that you want to cover the item with. Okay, almost there. Just make sure that you cover it. And whenever you're done, now let's take a look on the result. So that is the way how to hide an object on a CapCut application. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.